sit it underneath. Scoops in. That's not screwed in. Okay, piece here. So it's fitting in pretty good. There's a pretty big space up top that I can fit my hand through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some shims on the bottom just to give it a little bit more height. Another thing I'm going to check is my level. And see, it's a little bit off level here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shim it so it's slightly up like this. I'm going to make the shims higher on this side and lower on, and actually have no shims on this side at all. So again, we want it to be level and slightly higher. So that's what I'm going to do now. Take the window out. Okay, so now you can see I've added a shim here, a smaller shim here. I'm going to have no shim here, but then I also added my flashing tape, and I used a torch to heat it up, so it made nice adhesion because it's winter time and it doesn't stick very well. So now I should be able to put my window in, and it should be much better. So as you can see, it's pretty well bubbled now that I've added my shims. The spacing around, it's much evener. It's a little bit up here, but I mean that's okay. We'll just fill that with filler, and then all it's not that bad. So pretty much ready to screw in. Then we're gonna add some shims to it. So what we're gonna want to do is you're gonna put your bottom piece in here, and you see I've notched it out a bit. For some reason you have to notch this bottom flap here out, and you're gonna push it up as hard as you can. You really have to force it up, and you're gonna do a notch also on this side. And this top piece here, this is called your head expander. This goes over your top, kind of just to stop the rain from coming down, protecting it a little bit more. And also what that bottom piece is going to do is see how this is sloped out. It's going to clear up that space out here. Okay, what I've done now is put it into place. Head expander up here. I've got my back flap around the other side. You're just going to single screw in here just to basically want to check it out from the outside, make sure everything looks good. So looking from the outside, everything seems pretty good. There's definitely some sort of bow here, right here in the front, which I might just cut a little piece out here just to it blows up. But all in all, it looks pretty good. So yeah, I like the way it looks, and it's a pretty good seal. Okay, as you can see now, I've caulked the seal all around this entire window frame into the bottom. Now when you get to the bottom, you're going to go along the edge and go in towards the internal frame or sill. And then you come to the edge again, you go along the edge, and back up the frame. So you have a full seal all the way around. And now I'm going to put my window in place. So it's holding it. I don't want to actually get it tight because I want to make sure I check my level and get my shims in first. Another thing you want to check is the plumb of your check your corner. sure it's nice and superb. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you have time, please subscribe to my channel, click here to watch more videos, or please give me a thumbs up. Thanks.